everyone, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's everything? Do you have trouble sleeping? If you don't, what about your family members? Let's learn about some bad sleeping habits today. Here we go. Number 1, snore. Snore. S-N-O-R-E. Snore. S-N-O-R-E. If you snore, you breathe loudly and noisily through your nose and mouth while you are sleeping. If someone snores in the bedroom, it can be very hard for others to fall asleep. You can say, I don't want to be her roommate. She snores. I don't want to be her roommate. She snores. Or, I can't stand my husband. He snores so loudly. I can't stand my husband. He snores so loudly. Number 2, talk in your sleep. Talk in your sleep. T-A-L-K, talk. This means you speak while sleeping, but you don't know it at all. You can say, you talk in your sleep. You talk in your sleep. Or, he kept talking in his sleep the whole night. He kept talking in his sleep the whole night. Number 3, grind. Grind. G-R-I-N-D. G-R-I-N-D. Grind. If you grind your teeth, you rub them together and make a horrible noise. I'm kind of afraid of that sound. You can say, you must be very tired. You ground your teeth last night. You must be very tired. You ground your teeth last night. Wait, did you notice the past tense of grind? The past tense of grind is ground. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. G-R-O-U-N-D. Not grind it. Do you have any of these sleeping problems? You know what? My dog sometimes snores. Alright, time for review. I don't want to be her roommate. She snores. I don't want to be her roommate. She snores. You talk in your sleep. You talk in your sleep. You ground your teeth last night. You ground your teeth last night. That's all for today. I hope you liked today's lesson. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me a message. See you next time. Bye-bye.